Okay. Hey guys, it's me, Tom from Tom Chats, and today we are in the wonderful Corinthia at the Glocknerhof, and in the background you see the hard-working people building on their Interceptor 120, Interceptor 90, and a lot of Tom Chats. Today we are gonna unbox the Squall120. So basically, all you need to build your jet until to this building stage is included in the kit.
Warte, ich komme wieder zu dir.
Ja. Geht's weiter?
Ja.
Okay, so inside the box we have the Squall120 jet kit, we have the gear kit, we have the decals, we have the EDF kit plus vector control, and or optional you have the turbine kit with vector control and the back tank. So I'm gonna show you everything we need. Here again some technical information about the Squall120. It has a length of 1.7 meters and you will end up at a weight somewhere like 7 kilo. So first of all, the kit includes all the wood parts you need. You have a mixture of different sorts of wood. You have here the peach wood for the structural high-stressed parts, like the brackets for the gear and the servo covers. You have also then parts for your normal structure, for your skeleton. You see everything is laser engraved. Every part has its own number, and you start like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 plates. And then you also have, of course, like every tomcat comes with the pre-lasered balsa sheeting. So basically, most of you guys know it already. It's just the unwrapped surfaces of the fuselage or the wing, depending on the assembly. And here you also see it. You just glue the lasered sheets on your skeleton, and at the end it will fit. So we have plate 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Even the cutouts for the servos is already pre-installed. 8, 9, 10. Here, for example, you see a little arrow which indicates the direction. So everything is designed in the way that you can do nothing wrong anymore. Here we have, for example, the cutouts for the retracts. So at the end everything fits. Also it indicates where you have to cut the control surfaces at the end. Then also in the basic jet kit is included the 3D printed part, like the air intake, like the nose, and also like the nozzle. Then it also contains a lot of tiny bits and pieces, like the locking for the canopy, the hinges, some balsa blocks for reinforcing where the hinges are going to be glued, screws for the wing attachment, screws for the servo covers, screws for the retracts, and all the, for example, the rudder horns or the locking for the bottom part, so locking for the wing. So basically all is included which you need to build your Tomcat. Even there's also a net available for the air intake to protect the engine from debris. Okay, that's the basic kit. Then, sorry, I forgot the canopy. Of course, this one is included as well. Okay, and also for the control surfaces, the triangle balsa, and also to connect your wings, the strut. Okay, so that's the basic kit. Let's put it right there. Then you can choose if you want to equip your Squall with the JP Hobby retracts. These retracts are tailor-made only for displaying, so at the end if you use this retract, everything will fit. There's a nice little toy I need to show you. This toy prevents your jet from rolling away once it's on the table on the airfield. So come a little bit closer. That's the retract. Then we have the decals. The decals is the Tomcats design you can see on the website tomcats.com. The decals contain the frame for the canopy, also some nice lightnings, and in two colors, black, white in this case, but you can choose also the color. If you're interested, just let me know. And also some nice graphics for the bottom part, and also the big Squall120 and some netmount. Then, if you prefer to power your Squall with a turbine, Tomcats also provides the back tank, which fits perfectly into your Squall, and we also provide the exhaust thrust tube with the thrust vector control. So this one will fit only for this Squall, and a lot of tiny parts like screws and rivets to mount the thrust pipe and whatever you need. So if you are not gonna power your Squall by a turbine, if you go for EDF, you can purchase the EDF kit. This one contains some normal plastic foil for your thrust pipe, some mounting material for your batteries, and of course also the vector control for EDF. So you have these blades, 3 blades, 1 star in the middle, and every blade is connected directly to a surface. So for example, rudder, elevator and ailerons. Yes, basically that's it. I wish you a nice day, and we will continue building our Tomcats. Thanks for watching.